Hi, in this video I will be talking about the email notification feature on KeySecure 1.9. Using this feature, this KeySecure can be configured to send email notifications to specified email addresses when system alarms are generated on KeySecure. In order to receive these notifications, first of all you have to configure an SMTP server on the KeySecure using KeySecure Administrator. Right now I have logged in as an administrator on KeySecure, and I'll go to the admin settings. Here you can see a notification tab. Here I have an SMTP server configurations page. Here I will add an SMTP server. I am using a Yahoo SMTP server. The port of your SMTP server, the username of your SMTP server account, and in the sender's email you will add the email address from where the mail will be sent and the password of your SMTP server. In some SMTP server providers cases like AWS or Azure, you have to provide the account settings, credentials to configure and authenticate the SMTP server. In that case you have to provide the username and password of your account. So I have added the SMTP server. Now, in order to test whether my SMTP server is working fine or not, I can send a test email to an email address. Before that, let me go to the record section and check. So here I have got a record of adding an SMTP server. Now, okay. Again, let me try to send a test email. So I'll add an email recipient here. I'm adding my email address, and in Meta you can add some detail about the mail. Right now I am leaving it as blank, and you get a message that mail sent to the specified email address. You can check your inbox and a test mail should be there. Now, for the time being, now I am adding an email address here. So in here you will get you can add all the email addresses, basically the notifiers that you want to add, so who can receive an email when an alarm is generated on your KeySecure. So here also I am adding my email address. I'm leaving the meta field as blank for the time being. Email added for the notification. Now I want an alarm to be raised in my system. So for that I'll create an alarm for a creation of a key. Okay, so for that let me search create key record. So I have created a key earlier, so I'll use this. Now this is an alarm configuration. Here I am adding name of my alarm config, creation of key, let's say. In the description, let me add something, and here let me remove these details. So I want an alarm when a key is created whose algorithm is AES, size 256, and using cryptographic usage mask of 12. Okay, and my client IP can be anything. Okay, so I am saving this alarm configuration created here. Okay, so error threshold and interval. So error threshold is the maximum number of times the trigger condition is met in the specified time interval before the alarm is raised. This time interval is in seconds, in which if the trigger condition is met for a defined number of error threshold value, the alarm will raise. Now I have, for the time being, I am keeping both as 0, 0, and by default these are 0 values as well. Now according to this, whenever I create a key, I should receive an alarm as well as email notification. So let me create a key test3. Key created. In the records I can see a record for test3 creation and a trigger alarm record. So an alarm has also been triggered. Now I am waiting for in my inbox to get an email. And I have received an email notification for the creation of key here for test3. You can see where is my email. So here you can see I have received an email notification for the creation of key on my key secure for test3. So this is it regarding the email notification feature. Thank you.